I'm Katie Lee.
This is Robert Irvine.
My name is Jeffrey Zakarian.
What's up? My name is Angela Yee.
We are at the New York City Wine and Food Festival right here in Manhattan.
If you haven't been to the festival before, you definitely need to come. It is so much fun. I look forward to participating in the New York City Wine and Food Festival every year. It has a little bit of something for everybody. I mean, you've got dumplings, tacos, wine.
And you get to go to loads of amazing parties. I've got one tonight, Rocktails. I'm going to tell you, it's amazing. What we do here at New York Food and Wine Festival is take care of No Kid Hungry and the New York City Food Bank, two amazing charities. You have some fun, you have some drinks, you get to meet the chefs, and you get to do great things for other people.
Wear your stretchy pants.
Eat, drink,
And hunger.